Hi guys, hari ni kita nak buat switch heater. Kita mulakan dengan cranking dan kita pasang BB di sini. Okay guys, this is the heater switch. So we will be entering the wire inside the live, neutral and ground over here. This switch will be going here. Okay guys, this is how we cut the wire. So we start off with this. Then we push it out a little. So to bend the copper, we can do like this using the wire itself. Continue bending until it should be easy to come off. Okay guys, this is how the connection goes for the wires. So this is the earth wire, this is the neutral wire, and this is the live wire. So we have very limited red wires, so we use the yellow wire instead. So this is how it goes. So the live wire comes from here, the C16 area, and the neutral wire comes from here, and the earth wire comes from here. This is how we have connected it, and the switch will go here. Guys, this is how we connect the heater. We've completely done it here, and we've done it neatly by cutting off all the copper wires. As you can see, if you take a closer look, the copper wires are not visible here and also here. We have made it neatly, so the copper wires shouldn't be shown, and yes, this is how we make the heater connection. Thank you for watching.
Guys, after doing the heater connection, we should do connectivity test to see whether it works or not. So this is how we test it. So live to live, so we get 0.1. Okay, now earth and earth. Okay, and now finally the neutral and neutral.